So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my another video. So guys, first of all, please like my video, share it, and subscribe my channel if you are new here. And yeah guys, I have got three more subscribers, but not there any. So you can see guys, I'm a creator. Yeah, it's a joke, it's a bug because I also have this house and I have two pet paws and else. So guys, for this bug, I'll show you how to do it. I'll just teleport means that I'll just clear this whole stuff, then I can meet you guys. So I have all set up. So now let's start the video. So first of all, I'll show you that how to go on this AirKit in 1 second. Yeah, it's going on viral today because so many people have done this, and yesterday only PK Brothers has done this. If you haven't saw that, you can see it. Otherwise, you can see in Gaming with Dia or PKXD Ishana or Zoya PKXD only. So as you can see that you have to go here, then here, and you have to jump on here, then you have to go upside. So like this, you can't just go up. So for this, you have to just go up here first of all, and then you have to just put on jumping button, and here you have came on in 1 second. Yeah, it's very simple guys. Now I'll just come up here, and here you got it. It's very simple to do this. I'm gonna fall. Oh, hey, wait. Okay, no worries, you can just go on. Okay, so now let's do the bug which I am saying on, and you can also become a creature. Yeah. So for this bug, first of all, if you want so many pet pots, then also you can do. But you'll not get so many pets together. I'm just doing it for fun. So first of all, you have to put this igloo house. Yeah, and you have to click this house changing button, and you have to go in your house you have to do these things together. It's a little bit hard. Let's go outside and do it again. Okay. It's a little bit hard, but you can do it on. You also try it with me. Why it is hard? Okay, so guys, I have did this bug. As you can see now, you have for going outside, you have to take this camera option and you have to put it in like this. Anything. You can just put it like this and put out your phone, but I'm just doing it spin. Yeah, now I'll go out. Now because your cursor, you can't see your cursor, so for this you have to just put your finger here, any side, here. Yeah, I'll put it on, and as you can see I can move. Now let's go out. Yeah, now we'll stand here, and we'll put any of these houses. I'll put this loft house instead of my igloo house, and I'll go in. Okay, now I'll go out. As you can see that igloo house style is only there in my loft house. My friend has came to me. Okay, and you can see that my dear pet is also. I can't see my dear pet. Yeah. What did I do? Yeah. So now I'll put this house, and as you can see it is merged. Now I'll now I will go inside. So for creator, you will be a creator at last, just for fun. You'll not become a real creator. So as you see, my name is also invisible from here. Now nothing I have to do. I have to put a tick mark, and then I have to click one more time and done. So now as you can see guys, I'm a creator. Yay, and I have so many house changing options. So many pet pots. There are 3 pet pots. You can't see the third one, but as you can see that it is going up and down. So like this I can see on. And yay! So now I'm a creator. Now let's click a picture with it. Oh, I've reached my daily limit. Okay, no worries. So like this you can do the bug. And now let's open the surprise boxes, and I'll stop this video. So first, secret box. Yeah. Okay. OMG, no way, I got 5 gems. OMG. Nice. Thank you so much. Let's see, I've got 68 gems. Yay. Now second surprise box. Okay. So I got 1 coconut water. Yay, nice. Got secret box. Okay, I got 1 chalk. Nice. Okay, yeah. Fourth one is I got red bubble tea. Nice. Now let's see the last 5th ad. The 5th secret box. Here's our last secret box. OMG, I got coconut water again. Okay, nice. And now my this Cinderella one has got off the creator sign. Yeah, now I get it on. Yay. So now it is Cinderella one. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Like my video, and bye guys. Meet you in the next video, and sorry for late upload because I was very much busy. Bye.